It always feels nice to receive coins, but being a crypto user means sending transactions too. Let's get to it. On Koala Wallet's main screen, tap the coin you want to send from your list of assets and press send. Here, paste an address. Choose one from your address book or scan the receiver's QR code. While you can manually type an address, it is not recommended. Now, select in which chain the receiver will get their coins. Check with them which chain you should use, especially if sending to an exchange, as sending to the wrong chain could result in loss of funds. That's all the information you need about the destination wallet. Next, select which chain you would like to send funds from, and enter the amount that the recipient will receive. If you don't have enough balance on the same chain as the destination, you can choose a different one. Don't worry, Koala Wallet takes care of completing cross-chain transactions automatically. After setting these values, press Continue. We are almost done. To finish up, review all the details before sending. Take a few seconds to double check that the destination address, the chain, and the amount are correct. The gas price is automatically set to the normal confirmation time, but you can change it according to the transaction's urgency. With everything looking good, press Confirm and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. Transaction sent. In a few moments, the transaction will confirm and arrive at the destination address. We hope you enjoyed the power of full control of your assets. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have a great day.